Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our English grammar book. Lesson number 6, tenses. Now tenses are the various forms of verb. जो tenses होती हैं वो verb की various forms होती हैं. Tenses tells us when the subject did something and how the action took place. कि टेंसेस जो है वो हमें ये बताती हैं कि सब्जेक्ट ने कोई भी काम जो है वो कब किया और कैसे किया. टेंसेस आर क्लासिफाइड एज प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. तो जो टेंस होते हैं वो क्लासिफाइड हैं 3 ग्रुप्स में, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर, एंड ऑल द 3 टेंसेस हैव देयर 4 फॉर्म्स. नाउ एज यू सी हियर स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर 3 tenses, present, past and future, and all the 3 tenses have its 4 forms: simple form, continuous form, perfect form and perfect continuous form. Now first we go through the simple form of all the 3 tenses. Now in the simple present form, the structure of that tense is subject plus verb is in its first form, then object, and we make the sentence like he plays cricket. From the simple past, subject plus V2 plus object. V2 means the second form of verb. He played cricket. In future, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. He will play cricket. The helping verb of present, simple present is do, does, and the past is did. When we make negative or interrogative, in present, simple present, we use do and does, and in the past we use did. Now in continuous form, students, present continuous, the structure is subject plus am is are plus V1 in its ing form plus object. Example, he is playing cricket. When the subject is singular, we use is. When the subject is plural, we use are, and with I, we use am. Now go to the past simple continuous, past continuous. The structure is subject plus was, were plus V1 in its ing form plus object. Example, he was playing cricket. Here same, when the subject is singular, we use was, and subject is plural, we use were. Future continuous, structure is subject plus will be plus verb in its ing form and object. Example, he will be playing cricket. Now go to the third, means perfect form. Present perfect structure is subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. Example, he has played cricket. Same, with the singular subject we use has, and plural subject we use have. Now past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Example, he had played cricket. Now in future perfect, subject plus will have plus V3 means verb in its third form plus object. Example, he will have played cricket. Now fourth, present perfect continuous, structure is subject plus has have plus been plus verb in its ing form plus object, and since for. Since we use for period of time, and for we use for point of time. Example, he has been playing cricket since 7 o'clock. Past perfect continuous, structure is subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Here example, he had been playing cricket since 7 o'clock. Future perfect continuous, subject plus will plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Here example, he will have been playing cricket since 7 o'clock. Or if you mention the point of time, so you have to write for 2 hours or for 2 days. Here students, in your grammar book there is some examples given in, like in simple present tense. This one is a habitual action, general truth, future action that has a fixed schedule or a permanent situation, feeling or thought, be expressed in simple present tense. In continuous, an action planned for future, an action that is going on at time of speaking, and an action that may or may not be happening at the time of speaking. There are one examples given. Present perfect, an action that has completed in the immediate past, an action that is expected but has not yet happened, an action to indicate achievements, an action that is related to the current time. In present perfect continuous, students, an action has just finished, an action began in the past and continuing at the time of speaking. So here in your grammar book there is lots of example for the 3 tenses and its 4 forms. So you have to practice these exercises and try to improve your grammar.